napakahirap maghanap ng stable, flexible, at well-paying opportunity online, lalong-lalo na if wala ka pang VA experience, right? Kaya in this video, I will share to you another freelance opportunity na kung saan magbibigay sa inyo ng income online. At don't worry kasi tinatanggap nila kahit wala ka pang experience dahil meron silang free training. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kaz. I'm a social media VA. What is Dreamport? Dreamport is an online platform na kung saan you can learn and earn as an independent travel manager. Let me be very clear to you mga hunters. This is a remote freelance opportunity. Hindi ito traditional na job o trabaho na may sahod. Yes, the earnings here are based on your effort. Walang cap sa commissions ninyo basta maganda ang performance mo, then maganda din yung kitaan mo. And you are paid in US dollars. Another thing mga hunters, this is not an easy money or a scheme that you will become a millionaire overnight. It takes an effort, dedication, and willingness to learn. Hindi ito isang part-time job because dito, you need to commit at least 35 plus hours per week at kailangan mo talagang i-approach ito as a serious business. One of the best things about this opportunity is that leads are provided. You don't need to search for customers or do cold calling. You will be responding to incoming travel inquiries from clients mostly in the US, UK, and Canada. You just focus on consulting them, assisting with travel bookings, follow-ups, and closing deals. Another great thing about this opportunity is that free training is provided if you qualify. Later on, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-sign in dito. So, no prior experience is needed dito kasi the training is really highly dynamic and completely free of charge. What do you need to apply? Advanced English skills, both spoken and written, a PC or laptop, phones and tablets are not allowed, a stable internet connection kasi all work is online, and the willingness to learn and grow in performance-based role. So, paano pa mag-apply? It's actually very straightforward and fully automated. No interviews or phone calls needed para mag-apply. So, here's the step-by-step process. So, this is the website. You need to sign up either your Google or your Facebook. So, after mong mag-sign up gamit yung Google, so ito yung gamit ko is Google. So, kailangan mo maglagay yung mga information and then country of residence and your contact information. I-change nyo lang yan dito. And then, your email address and then agree to the following. And continue. So, step 2 is about yourself. Years. So, if wala kang experience, then no experience. And then, if meron, so ilagay nyo yan. Pipili lang kayo dyan. Industry. If wala, then none. And then, education level. English level. So, native or advanced. After that, add language. So, Filipino ba? And then click submit. Take their 15-minute English assessment test. Is just multiple choice questions to evaluate your proficiency. If you pass, you'll start the online training. It's self-paced and takes approximately 15 to 20 hours, including short videos, multiple choice tests, and gamified elements. This is followed by a 2-week live nesting phase. This is where participants meet advisors and trainers and begin their first interactions with customers. Gusto ko lang magpaalala sa inyo mga hunters na this opportunity is ideal for those people na who want their income to reflect their hard work. The income potential is real and nakikita ko sa kanilang social media accounts at sa kanilang website. Meron silang mga na-feature na travel managers na nag-earn ng around $1,000 to $2,000 per month just after 6 months at saka kanilang senior managers around $3,000 NPN. Pero kung hindi ka magkukumit or ayaw mo mag-learn, baka hindi ito para sa inyo. Some people, they earn zero kasi nga nag-login lang sila at hindi nila sineryoso. Wala silang nilagay na effort. So again, it's a commission-based role, so you really need to hustle. So mga ka-hunter, if you are interested to apply, ilalagay ko lang yung link sa description box or sa pinned comment. And make sure to use my link kasi nga baka mapunta kayo sa maling website. And remember mga hunter, after you take the test, is you need to check your profile kasi hindi sila tumatawag sa mga qualified applicants. You just need to check your profile. So kung may questions kayo mga hunter, feel free to drop your questions at sasagutin natin yan. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow me on my Facebook account at TikTok account for more hiring at saka hiring tips. Thank you for watching!